Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your name on Facebook. Whether you've recently updated your profile name, need to correct a spelling mistake, or just want to refresh your account details, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on the menu option. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. From there, open Personal Details and then tap on Profile. Now, select the account ID that you want to update. Tap on the Name option, then type in your new name. Once you've entered the new name, tap on Review Change. Review the update carefully to make sure everything is correct. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to change your name on Facebook. This update will reflect across your profile once it's approved, and you'll be able to use your account with the new name. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Facebook and tech guides.